Hey guys, look how cute they are. Do you want to hear their story? Hey, why are you crying?
Nobody likes us. Everybody is using big bottles to feed. I also want to be so vibrant.
Yeah, that's so sad. I also want to be so attractive. Hey, don't worry. I will make you so beautiful. Yay, we are going for a makeover. Oh, wait. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And click the bell icon for notification. Come, we can go. Let's start making the galaxy bottle. For this, take a mini bottle, brushes for painting. You also need a pair of good scissors for cutting cotton, water, cotton, glitter. I am using liquid type glitter. You can also take glitter powder, palette for mixing colors, spoon and acrylic colors. First we have to fill the bottle with cotton. For that we are making the cotton into small pieces. You can cut it with scissors, but I prefer to use my fingers. Now we are going to fill the first layer of cotton. Then pour some water. Add water little by little. I don't have violet acrylic colors, so I mix pink, blue and white to make this color. Then add this color to the first layer. Now the first layer is ready. In the second layer also the same procedure, but the difference is you want to add blue color instead of violet. We are adding glitter to the bottle since it seems to be like stars in the galaxy. Also spread some glitter on the side so that we can see it from outside. Now I am adding blue color into it. We have to put layer of violet and blue color alternatively till the end. Now the mini galaxy charm bottle is ready. Look how cute it is. It's awesome. If you like this, give a thumbs up. Let's move on to the next one. Now we are gonna make the rainbow charm bottle. For that we need salt and a mini bottle. Salt is the main item for making this. We need a spoon to mix the color. Divide the salt into 7 equal parts. Color the salt as in rainbow, that is VIBGYO. Now we have finished coloring indigo, blue, yellow, orange, red, violet, and green. Spread some glitter on the side. This is totally optional. Then fill the bottle as the VIBGYO, that is violet, then indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. Now the rainbow bottle is also ready. It's gorgeous, isn't it? Comment down below which is your favorite. If you like this video, please give a big thumbs up and share this video and subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon for notification. Stay tuned.